Well, my yellow fellow, it's time these M&Ms had a little R&R. Well, my yellow fellow, it's time these M&Ms had a little R&R. Well, my yellow fellow, it's time these M&Ms had a little R&R. Well, my yellow fellow, it's time these M&Ms had a little R&R. Ah, they're all little venomous in the one I follow you out. Hello? It's what? They what? And what? They what? And what?
You're turning red.
Repeat after me. I did leave the M&M's Minis in charge of the candy factory. Has your nuts melted? Have you gone completely chocolate?
Well, the minis aren't that bad. All they need is a chance.
All you need is a get to the factory.
Pronto!
Hey, I'm so okay. I'm so okay. What? Silly mouth so now. Seen him so much. See you next man, may you go or silly mouth and the shit. Now I'm gonna get to him, seen him, Mr.